Happy Monday, Lumineers. My name's Jamie Butler, and I'm here at the AKASHIC Ranch at sunrise. The energy here is so peaceful and yet so alive. There's a crisp in the air. The day has begun. Lumineers, take a check-in with your life, your day-to-day life, and see what kind of wonderful you can add to it. Lumineers, it doesn't have to be something that's halfway around the world. It doesn't have to be something that costs money. It could be as simple as going outside, watching the sunrise, taking the time out to watch the sunrise. It could be as simple as taking up a hobby, photography, a YouTube channel. Adding something spectacular to your life increases joy. And here we go down this rabbit hole. Joy increases your immune system. It changes your perspective on life. It helps you with your visualization, your manifestation. And what you're focused on is what you're attracting. So what are you focusing on? I have to tell you, if you're focusing on attracting something like this, your day is going to be a lot different. Have a beautiful Monday, Lumineers. Thank you so much for being here with me.